Locky here from Diamond Protection Emergency Service. I'm part of our training division. What we've been running recently is a 0 to ESO course, and what that entails is people that want to be into emergency service. There's a lot of things going on in that course, from fire, first aid, rescue and more. So if you're interested in looking at being an emergency service officer, then it would pay you to look at these series of videos that we're bringing out. And the first one we're going to touch on, because a lot of people are interested in, is vertical rescue. In other words, rescuing someone that's fallen from heights. Now, we're going to take that from the very beginning. If you have to rescue somebody from height, you need to have a suitable anchor or somewhere to set up your gear that is safe for you and the person that you're going to rescue. So what we need to be looking at then is something that we can tie our gear onto that will hold our weight. The standard says we have to have 15 kilonewtons, which for us is about 1.5 tonne. I like to say bomb proof. If a bomb hit the building, would that still be there? Because if it would, that's perfect for us to anchor off of, we know we'll be safe. Other guys use this, a rule of thumb, they say, if you could hang your car off of it, then that would be a good anchor. So in our industry, we're sometimes on catwalks and walkways and things like that. The step treads on that would not be a good anchor, and the handrail itself would not be a good anchor. And yet the C channels that run up the sides of those, or sometimes their I-beams, would be a good anchor depending on the size of them. You need to look at that. So that's the first in our series of this vertical rescue that we're going to touch on. I know it sounds simple, but anchors are so important. They can save or lose our lives. Remember this, 15 kilonewtons is the standard. For us, that's about 1.5 tonne. I like to say, make them bomb-proof because your life is involved. I'd like to invite you to come back and look at this series that we're going to do on vertical rescue. The next part will be this, knots for vertical rescue. Thank you.